Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a slime video, but I'm not going to make it. So I'm going to slime right here. It's very stretchy.
But you can tell him it doesn't matter because you already knew. You knew
Oh
before
my
you
god, that
knew.
one. Okay guys, I'm actually going to take this much right here. No, I'm going to take
Dr. Weaver, Dr. Romano's looking for you. Mother came out of surgery.
about
For me, distracted me, but otherwise she's doing all right.
that much slime and see how long it'll make. So I'm taking this, putting it over there, and seeing how long this will stretch.
Well, that was pretty amazing what you did out there.
Oh, I'm just a little out of my element.
You wouldn't know it.
Thank you. So why don't you go up and take your baby to her?
Oh, they let me do that?
Yeah, it's one of the perks. She's gonna think you're an angel.
Well, she did almost see you going.
Hey, you did great. I mean, you took a risk, stayed focused, listened. You did what was necessary. That's me right now.
So
Yeah, I was a little scared.
all that
Well, I was scared the whole time.
stretch, that was really cool. I'm going to take my glasses off and like wrap this. What?
You saved everybody, didn't we? We know people all right now because we were there.
Some days are good days.
Yeah, I like the good days.
Enjoy them when they come. Let's get her over.
That was fun. There, that much slime right there in my hand. And yeah, so subscribe down below and comment if you think this slime is nice or not. So, bye.